In Unreal Engine, there's a crucial difference that can impact your project's performance without you even realizing it. With a regular material, every modification forces the engine to recompile the shader, slowing things down. A material instance, on the other hand, is a lighter version of the same material, giving you direct control over colors, roughness, and parameters without any compilation. This means you can modify quickly instead of rebuilding everything. The result: faster performance, better organization, and easier development, especially for large projects. Let's implement and create your first material instance in Unreal Engine now. First, go to the Content drawer, then right-click and select Material. Name the material Master Material. Next, right-click on the master material and then select Material Instance. This is how you create a material instance. If you found this video helpful, follow us.